this up. There have been small changes, but they're nice changes, and they add into having the full version of the game soon. Here. For our friend back, Yuri Sax, this is me playing this on the piano. So I apologize for it being okay. And just okay. We'll go there, back there. Cool. So for our new people, this is my game Fix 'em Up. It is a match 3 dating sim. I've been doing a bit of Godot coding now. I've been using YouTube tutorials and then learning how to code also with Chatgpt and Claude Ai. I now know how to write functions. I now know how to input character sprites. I'm understanding how the match 3 system works. Saving, loading data, like the bells and whistles has been a lot. Calling functions, properties of functions, tweening, like just all of it. It's been crazy. So I already have a pre-save. This is what our characters look like by default. This is Maya the mechanic, Rena the librarian, Vanessa the professor, Chloe the photographer, Trish the model, Nova the streamer, and then Trixie a neat. Yeah. I'm gonna go with Maya for default. This game has like little cutscenes and stuff in it as well. I'm only gonna click it just to show Yuri Sax, and then we'll go through it just because I have the extra portion. We're not reading them, but little cutscenes, backgrounds drawn by myself. So we had the Fix 'em Up shop. Basically, the premise of the game is you're a person who's moved into a new city, basically trying to fix up your life, and you ended up totaling your car. And then you're at the Fix 'em Up shop. That's where your game play starts before you meet more people. And there, it has different reactions, different faces. What? GG Rip Car 07. Yeah, you start your new life and you jack up your car already. How dare. Also new information, just because I've added this to the story at this point. Your family knows the people who own your apartments, basically. So you've got yourself a little bit of a nicer tie-in to be able to get there. That goes there. Good. Also more backgrounds drawn by myself. So the game fully of my own artwork, my own writing, and then coding. So go here. Maybe this is luck. So now, let's see how often they pop up. I'm surprised. Now we have bad pieces in the game, which I thought was funny because I made them for you being lazy. Fix 'em Up is basically about a game fixing up your life, getting new habits, trying to be a little bit better yourself. So that for the bad pieces, I put a bag of potato chips for being lazy and then a bunny girl body pillow. I thought that was funny. If you match 3 of them, you end up losing your score by like, I think 20 points. I think I lowered it to 20. It was freaking irritating. For our other person, we have bomb pieces. Let me get this ready. Boom. Yeah. I need more reds. Why is it the time I have to demonstrate this, I get the least amount of reds I've ever had on the screen? Go here. There you go. All right. So now as well, you have a super button. And what that does is I'm sorry. I'm just mad at the first time I demonstrate this. This doesn't want to work. It deletes the pieces that are there of specifically the color that the character is matched with. Maya is red. So when you end up pressing the button, it deletes all the reds and gets you a higher score. I have now implemented a super button in the game, which was very difficult to do, so I would like to be able to show it nicely to my chat. If you are to build up your points back to, I'll go here. I need like 800. Naruhodo. I see what you did there. I understand. That goes there. That goes there. Nice. Thank you, Spoons. There you go. If you're to go there, again, you pop the score again. So now you have a super button in game. It'll make some levels a little nicer, a little easier. These are only, again, levels 1 through 5. I'm probably going to keep the demo version at 1 through 5. I was going to do 1 through 10, But I think 1 through 5 makes sense. And this also changes per character. I want to go back to the original song. There we go. This also changes per character. So if you use Rena, all the purple ones go instead. If you use Vanessa, all the green ones go instead. Everything is color coordinated for all new characters that come out. They will also be assigned to a color. The only one I technically haven't tested, let's see if this crashes the game, is technically Trixie. I gotta get some more crap in here. I've not tested this for her. Oh. Her reaction kills me with this a little bit. That's just really funny. You want me to what? There. They have a spawn rate of like 0.1. Darn, I got rid of one. They don't spawn as often. I'll have to turn them up for later levels. All right, let me just see if these two go away. Only one of them went away. Okay. Yeah, we're at the funky part of new idea. Really cool to add in, but definitely can be funky. That's where we're at. Definitely can be funky. Troubleshooting parts. Yeah. And it's for the demo anyways. The demo's either going to be cheap or free, like 99 cents or like 50 cents or free. I'm not trying to do anything crazy. The only point for this would be building up more for the game, so I could possibly end up hiring voice actors, freaking, what is it? Maybe some other artists for background work, music sort of things, and then maybe people to help me with coding. But scaling, right? And then eventually I have to save stuff for advertisement because we have to make sure the game goes places. I already have a plan of who people I might be into, like sending it to, and just how that goes. Or the demo version might be free, and then some of the outfits, if you would like to try them in game already, those will go for the like. You donated to the Patreon version. Thank you so much. Now you get to see Maya in her gym clothes, sort of stuff. So that's there, and then I technically have another game. I will show it only for Yuri because Yuri's new and just got back. Nah, I charge those brokies $1. You'd be surprised how crazy charging people $1 sounds to some people.